We won't show that.
That's gross. Now I know why you're always so sweaty and miserable after this.
It's not that bad.
Oh, that's pretty bad. Oh boy. That was so scary. I don't want to do that again.
We are Danny,
Melissa,
Emma, Jake,
and we are 4 Simple Lives.
So for this week, we're doing something a little bit different. We are reversing roles.
Yes, we are.
Yes, Danny always takes care of the outside of the RV. I take care of the inside. And it's a move day, so I get to do all of the things on the outside. Are you excited?
Yes.
I'm terrified.
I mean, we talk about it all the time. It's important just in case something was happening, you know, probably more specifically for me. If something was to happen to me, she needs to be able to know how to hook up the RV and move it from place to place. I think I can figure out the inside. It's pretty easy.
Oh. All right. Let's do this.
Let's do it. All right, I'm going to bring the slides in. This is Melissa's job usually. Different angle for me. Freaks me out every time.
We want to leave this open for right now then?
Yeah.
Okay.
Turn off ACs.
Yep. All right, you want me to do Starlink?
Yep, do Starlink.
Stow mode.
So what you'll do is unscrew that pole right there.
Right here?
Yep. It's good. Probably undid. Now be careful, it's top heavy.
Oh yeah, it is. Okay.
Take it down.
And then you've got to do it like this?
Yep.
Okay. Oh my god.
There you go. Bring it all the way down.
Ooh. Okay.
Okay, now pull that cord out of there.
This one right here?
Yep. That hole.
Perfect, right? Good? And then roll it up all nice.
Let's wrap up the Starlink cord. Perfect. Throw it on top of the box.
Okay.
Those are up. Now let's go do the fun stuff.
Oh no. Okay, black tank first.
We won't show that.
That's gross.
I put about 3 gallons back in the toilet. Now Melissa's gonna drain the black tank one more time.
All right, closing it now.
Now open up the gray tank.
Gray tank open. Now I know why you're always so sweaty and miserable after this.
It's not that bad.
Oh, that's pretty bad.
I'm gonna disconnect it right here.
Here first?
There's gonna be a little pressure in there. Yep.
Okay.
There you go. Now you can just, that's a hose reel. And then just hold it right there. Let it sit like that. Because it'll,
So it drains a little?
yeah. You gotta, might have to bend it a little bit.
There.
Let it drain. Now you
Okay.
can disconnect the filter from the water spigot. Nope. The white part, the yellow part. Yep.
Okay.
And then this is the old drain game. We just hold it like this
Forever.
forever. Alright, disconnecting the sewer hose.
You were kidding.
Yep. You want to phone a friend?
No, I gotta do it by myself. Oh Oh my god.
Let that hose drain. Perfect.
Okay, now collapse it
Connect this portion
to this.
in there. Yep, open that up and pull the other hose out.
Ew, there's stuff in there.
And just connect it to it. There you go. Now just come down here and disconnect the orange from the gray, and we'll feed it into the... Yep. Close it and make sure that thing latches. We lost our sewer seal from that.
Yes.
And put it sideways in there. There you go. And I'll just shovel that other junk in there.
Literally junk.
And then you have to come over to the... Nope. You come over to the port here. Disconnect all this.
Oh.
The flush king and our extension.
Okay. Is that on all the way?
Yep.
Oh.
Perfect. And half a cup in that sink. Perfect.
And if you're wondering what we're putting in here, make sure to go watch Danny's RV maintenance. He explains all about this. All right, gotta shut the last slide.
Perfect.
Nailed it.
Alright, so you just gotta turn the 50 amp breaker off. There's a frog right there next to you. And
Oh my
pull
God.
that cord out.
He's gonna attack me.
There you go.
Okay.
Unscrew that, lefty loosey. That's righty tighty.
Oh,
Now turn it to the left before you pull out. Alright, carry that heavy beast into the shore.
oh my gosh!
Open the hitch.
Right here?
Yep. Pull that safety pin out.
This safety pin? No.
What are you messing with? Open the hitch. There you go.
Okay, now what?
Alright, so you just want to use that middle headrest there.
Yeah.
And try to back it up right at where the GoPro is.
Okay.
Wherever the hitch is.
Okay.
And just get close within 2 feet, then I'll go put the stairs up.
Okay. Oh boy.
Straight. Stop. Straight back. Straight back. A little more passenger. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep. Right there. Right
Oh
in.
my god, I did it! That was so scary.
So connect your power cord.
Okay.
The notch goes down.
Notch. This notch right here?
That big giant notch on there goes down.
Got it.
Come in real good. And then make sure that plug is in there.
I just
Both
heard
sides.
it. Ugh.
Lock up all the exterior containers. Storage, I guess.
Okay.
First thing is to extend our mirrors. Okay. Then on your shifter, the button.
Right here.
Yep. Push it to tow mode. One more. Okay, let it go. And then you're gonna want to put our diesel exhaust brake to auto.
Where's that?
Up there next to the traction.
thing?
Yep, push it once.
Cool.
Engine brake on. Now push it one more time. Automatic engine brake. Okay.
Okay.
Now we'll check lights. So step on the brakes and then left, right.
Okay.
This is the first pull of the Brinkley Yogi with the judge for Miss Melissa. How's it feel?
Not too bad.
Just stop and slow down for these guys. Let them go past you. Of course, it's the busiest day. Everyone's pulling
Oh my
out of
god,
the
I
damn
know.
crowd. Traffic jam.
Don't hit my RV.
Slow and smooth. No rush. People behind us, in front of us, around us, they can wait.
Well, I can't really see behind me right now. Doesn't matter.
Melissa's about to do her first merge on the highway.
Should I start increasing my speed?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just stay in the right lane. You're good for the drive. Merging.
Perfect scenario. No one's there.
Nice. What do you think, Sadie? How's Mom doing? Pretty good? On the open road.
So how fast do you go?
I mean, usually I'm cruise controlled at 67, 68, but just stay where you're comfortable. Just do this.
You got any tips?
Well, don't tailgate. Stay behind. It takes 2-3 times longer to brake when you have a trailer with 15,000 pounds behind us. And then if you see them braking hard in front of you, step on your truck brakes and then reach right down here and grab your trailer brakes and just squeeze them nice.
Okay.
And I just kicked your GPS offline somehow. Oh, and we're back. Just keep it between the navigational beacons.
Yep.
But don't let cars pass you. Get them.
No, I'm not gonna do that.
Well, you're like 20 minutes into your first tow. How's it feel?
It feels okay. I mean, it feels okay.
Feels okay, she says.
I don't prefer this at all whatsoever. I know that there's some insanely amazing, awesome women out there who they love doing this. I do not like doing this. But I'm also not a passenger princess either. So,
Yeah, she's always working. So when she's driving, we're not making any money.
yeah. I just don't like this. But then again, I don't really like driving. I don't, when I did that trip to my mom's house, I don't really enjoy it as well. So,
But again, the purpose of this whole experiment is just to show that both parties in the RV family should be able to do everything.
Yes.
If something was to happen and you had to drive, you know now confidently that you could get us from point A to point B.
Yes. Preferably not through a city.
Yes. I don't like driving through cities either, but it is what it is.
Yes.
So here's your reminder out there, RV families. Both people should know how to do the rolls.
Yes.
Melissa has 2.5 miles left, and then we're going to pull over at a rest stop, and we're going to swap out. Going good?
Yeah.
Alright, we can see the rest stop up ahead. We're almost there. We can go that way where there's nobody. And go over the line a little bit. There you go. Stay straight for a second. There you go. Now look at your rearview mirrors. Oh, now you know how it feels. Pretty straight for a first timer with a little crookedness.
I don't want to do that again.
Yeah, but now you know you can do it, right? You got a little confidence.
Yep. I'm ready to sit back in that seat now.